Okay, so here we just came up the elevator to our condo, and here we are. Got all our suitcases, time to unpack and enjoy Puerto Rico. See, they slipped a whole bunch of stuff under our door. Woo-hoo! Yeah, picture fell down. Damn. Okay, so I'll give you a quick look outside. All right.
Put this down to 70 and it's not coming on.
It will in a second. All right, here's outside.
Barely on.
All right. San Juan Hotel and Casino. Rooftop bar. Swimming pool. Right there. Okay, we're gonna get settled in and we'll take you guys where we go. Okay, happy Puerto Rico. Extension cord if we need to power stuff, but kind of cool. Sitting area. There was a piano down here last time. We can go check out the pool. Okay, so here's some Christmas festivities. We're walking down the street. Here's a condo association. Cool.
We stayed here before.
We did stay here before. Yep. Cecilia's. This is the first year we've been here during Christmas and New Year's holidays. And we're gonna see what happens. So, okay, we stopped off our first stop, one of our favorite places, Lupi's, for a snack. And
There's Valeria. Say hi, Valeria.
there's that Nancy girl. And yeah, lively place. So anyways, gonna get an appetizer and chill. We'll talk to you soon. Okay, so just a little bit of our history. We first came to Puerto Rico just after Hurricane Maria, and we stayed in this building, which is on the beach. It used to be a hotel. Now they sold off all the hotel rooms. They made it into condos, studios, and that, but what a fantastic area. We're right in the middle of everything. We can walk to anything. We walk to the grocery store. Here's one of our favorite places to hang out. Super nice people. We've been coming here for years. If you want some Americana, there's an Applebee's. Just a lot of fun. The weather is awesome. Here's Miss Nancy. What do you think? Where's your favorite place to go? Where's your favorite place?
Puerto Rico.
No, what area? What restaurant? What?
Lupi's.
Ah, Lupi's. Okay.
Look, there's a good shot right there.
So this is Lupi's right on the main drag in Isla Verde. Carolina is the municipality. I believe that's right. And this is like the main drag, 37. Anyways, okay. On to our next stop. Okay, today's first day. And we have to make our trip to the grocery store. So we're walking to the grocery store. It's probably about 6 or 7 blocks away, maybe half a mile. Nice walk. And it's nice out today. Sunny. Feels like about 80. All right, so on to the grocery store. Okay, we're going to the grocery store. Kind of cool, all these little shops along the way. That restaurant there has got some excellent food. This is the tourist area, Carolina, part of San Juan. All right, so here's Chili's on our way to the grocery store. The weather's just beautiful today. Feels like it's like 100 out here, don't it? There's the airport though. Mountains. You can see the mountains in the distance. Way over there. Mountains. Really is beautiful out here. Palm trees. Our grocery store, Pueblo. Got to pick up some stamps today so we can mail out some Christmas cards. And here we are in the grocery store, picking up a few items, looking for some lunch meat. See lunch meat anywhere? Lunch meat anywhere? Oh, there's the bread. $4 a loaf. Okay. Do we need eggs? Yeah, don't the regular silver, I think. Okay, shopping's all done and we're on our way back to the condo. So one thing I'll mention is you have to bring your own bags, or you can purchase them there, but they're not free. We just take a backpack and a couple of bags and we walk. When we get our car in a couple of days, then we'll do some heavier shopping. But that's it. Beautiful day. Okay, this is where we go to get our car. There's the baggage claim. Okay, here's what we got. We got a Jeep Compass. I'm gonna run around it with the camera real quick. I didn't see any major damage or minor damage anywhere, so I think we're pretty good. It's in kind of a tight spot to get a good angle. Yeah, it'll work. I hope this has a navigation screen though, for real. Okay.